Hello. This is a very quick video, and this is about time relevancy. And I just wanted to come and speak about this because I feel it's very important for people to have a grasp of this concept in the current time that we're living in. I'm using the word time to say as in a period, a moment affected by space. And that's going to make sense after I say this. Okay. Time, we all know time is measured by minutes, hours, days, years, light years. Um, in the base of time, we have the second. Second is not the base time measurement. It's just the most, minute form we're given in our big conscious world, our society, to measure time. When in reality, the base of time would be Omni. Omni as in one. We do not count time in Omni. Like, no one ever goes, yo, how many Omnis has it been? How many Omni are there? No one ever asks that. It's like, how many seconds we got? How many minutes we got? So with that being said, we're always behind. And that's one way we're behind. We're behind because we do not measure time in its base element, which I'm going to come back to as I say this. A second way we're always not able to understand the time around us is because, on top of the fact that we are on a secondary version of time, when it comes to not having the base particle, we then put our time as in what another or a mass of people say time is. Have you ever noticed you can be sitting with a group of friends and you could be like, damn, it's getting late, I'm ready to go, and they'll be like, nah bruh, it's still early, turn up. It could be like 11 o'clock, it could be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, because time is relevant to how each person perceives time as well. Some people could feel like, it's time for me to go and get my homework done. And some people feel like, 30 minutes left of the time, it'll be time to research and write a paper. So then there's that. Now, going back to Omni being the basis of time. Omni also is in a word that should be very familiar to most of you, omniscient, meaning to know all. In our current state, we are not omniscient beings. Once you are omniscient being, I would trust and believe that you are no longer in this physical realm that we are in these physical bodies. So, as human beings, we do not see time as we should. And the only how we can begin to get centered and to know time the way it ought to be is by looking at life and valuing life, because all truth is self-evident in life. If you look at the constellations in the sky, they will let you know literally what time you are in, even down to what to expect in your politics, what to expect in your personal life, what to expect in your personal energy, what to expect in your world view. If you look at your body and how it's reacting to a day, not how you're told to react, you will know what time you are in, because we can all exist in a realm that seems to be one, but within that one realm, people could be living in different times. You have people that are your age walking around with you, but another familiar saying you should be with, living in the past. So you have people whose bodies are progressing, going through the motions, but they are living in a past moment that they have never gotten over. So I just thought this was quick and something that would tease the brains and get y'all thinking and get y'all to be able to get centered into the time we're in, what needs to be done in your place and what needs to be done. This was Empress Urban Divinity. I'll be back with a new video as soon as I find something that is important and relevant to you guys. And I wish you guys peace, love, and happiness.